If you've been searching for the easiest way to install TiviMate on your Firestick or Android TV, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the complete installation process from start to finish, including how to enable developer options, install the app safely, and get everything ready in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, here's one important thing to know. TiviMate is a powerful TV player. It allows you to organize compatible playlists into a clean interface with categories, favorites, and a built-in TV guide. If you need login details for this player, message us right now. Contact info are given in description, or scan QR code given on screen to reach us. It works great on all devices. Let's install it. We're starting with Firestick. From the home screen, open Find, then select Search. Type Downloader and install the official Downloader app. Once that's finished, don't open it yet. First, we need to enable developer options. Go back to the home screen and open Settings. Select My Fire TV, then About. Highlight your Fire TV device name and press the Select button on your remote 7 times until you see the message, "You are now a developer." Now go back one screen. Open Developer Options, select Install Unknown Apps, then turn Downloader on. That's all the preparation we need. Now, open Downloader. Allow any permissions if they're requested. Click inside the address bar and enter the official TiviMate download source or downloader code from the official developer. Press Go. After the APK finishes downloading, choose Install. When installation completes, select Done, then delete the installation file. Since the app is already installed, there's no reason to keep the APK taking up storage. TiviMate is now installed on your Firestick. And bro, if you're using Google TV or Android TV, the process is very similar. Open the Google Play Store and install Downloader if you don't already have it. If your device asks for permission to install apps from unknown sources, simply enable that permission for Downloader. Now launch Downloader. Enter the official TiviMate download source or downloader code. Download the APK, install it, open the app, and that's it. The first time you open TiviMate, you'll be asked to add a playlist. If you need M3U playlist URL or Extreme compatible login, message us right now. Contact info are given in description. After connecting, TiviMate will automatically organize your available channels into categories, load the TV guide when supported, and let you create favorites for quick access. The interface is smooth, fast, and much easier to navigate than many default media players. Before you start watching, here are a few recommendations. Create a favorite section for the channels you watch most. Spend a minute exploring the settings menu. You can customize the TV guide, channel groups, playback behavior, and much more. If you decide to upgrade to TiviMate Premium later, you'll unlock additional features such as multiple playlists, recording, picture-in-picture, backups, and advanced customization. If the app doesn't install, make sure Downloader is allowed to install unknown apps. If the download doesn't start, check your internet connection and verify you're using the correct official download source. If your playlist doesn't load, double-check every character in your M3U URL or Extreme login details. A small typo is one of the most common causes of connection issues. And that's all there is to it. Your device is now ready to use TiviMate. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Firestick, Android TV, and Smart TV tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.